Ibe tingchua ilung ta pen mena na mai gu mara sam news kadai rin sa zeme ko na pumangai dale. World Health Organization kadai prege mi pum gulam zai hararit gulam ge ning tingge zabam bone zinai kru ke zing kasro rima ge COVID-19 rarit pezet katsambe South Africa kadai ge ne test perpe severe acute respiratory syndrome COVID-19 variant B11529 ke chibe variant of concern anwin tingchi zetning herala le ja sale Zai aipo variant COVID-19 rarit pezet katsambe World Health Organization ne pezi Omicron zen takai delay Palam ana apo COVID-19 rarit pezet katsambe B11529 za pagu mutation anui migne ngolak pe virus poiner meze prensi ke sangbam leize salezai World Health Organization kadai perege mi pungulam zai rarit gulam ge ningting ge zabam bonus aza apo COVID-19 rarit pezet katsambe B11529 za COVID-19 rarit kena irai lo medu gurai do bileze salei I the World Health Organization at Zinai Kruke Zinka Strogrima press conference to the some basic of some delay. Hi King Samgaira.
So today, WHO's Technical Advisory Group on Virus Evolution met to discuss the variant B11529, to discuss what we understand about this variant and if it should be classified as a variant of interest or a variant of concern. Based upon the information that we have, particularly from South Africa, they have advised WHO that this variant should be classified as a variant of concern. So today we are announcing B11529 as a variant of concern named Omicron. So Omicron B11529 is named as a variant of concern because it has some concerning properties. This variant has a large number of mutations, and some of these mutations have some worrying characteristics. Right now, there are many studies that are underway. There's a lot of work that is ongoing in South Africa and in other countries to better characterize the variant itself in terms of transmissibility, in terms of severity, and any impact on our countermeasures like the use of diagnostics, therapeutics, or vaccines. So far, there's little information, but those studies are underway. So we need researchers to have the time to carry those out, and WHO will inform the public and our partners and our member states as soon as we have more information. Once a variant is classified as a variant of concern, it's really important that we have good SARS-CoV-2 surveillance around the world, including better genomic sequencing, because we want to be able to detect this variant where it is circulating. It's also really important that studies are undertaken in the field to look at any clusters, and also the studies that are needed in the lab to look to see if there's any changes in severity, any changes in our impact on diagnostics, therapeutics, or vaccines. The Technical Advisory Group for Virus Evolution will be meeting regularly about Omicron. It will take days to weeks for some of these studies to be undertaken. It's really important that these studies are done, and they're done comprehensively. As soon as we have more information, we will make that information public. But it's important to know that there's a lot that you can do to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. We understand that people are concerned. The good thing is that we have monitoring systems around the world to detect these variants very quickly. This variant was detected a few weeks ago, and already scientists are sharing research with us, information with us, so that we can take action. What's really important as an individual is to lower your exposure. The measures, these proven public health measures, have never been more important. Distancing, wearing of a mask, making sure that it's over your nose and mouth with clean hands, making sure you avoid crowded spaces, be in rooms where there's good ventilation, and when it's your turn, get vaccinated.
Zinai Kruke Zinka Strogrima ge India Constitution Day, India gu ngelo sikwak telulwa luze, India kadege telung rahang phugabe dinami puining to badam tuze Central Hall Parliament kasa karangma wang rose dui babam ngine bamgai delay. Chige Nobel Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ne saze sabka saath sabka vikas sabka viswas anui hai mana wang roluze di chun to chu zabambe hai mana na ren kaize hai mana na ke chu num te zabambe ze India gu hinge lusi pren chilang be jai parui dilang be de lei je sale
सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका विश्वास सबका प्रयास ये संविधान की भावना का सबसे सशक्त प्रकटीकरण
Zinai Kruke Zinka Strogrima ge ralang beteze North East Sports Conclaves Guwahati Assam ya bamgai delay aipo North East Sports Conclaves dagum takne anui North East test set ke dhabagen tuchu zebam mai balamge dhabage panuizi tetmene wang rolu ze deudam ze bamben dui delay Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ne North East Sports Conclaves ke pagupa maning ki ibe anui North East states ken thade zai tin tuchu zebam balamge deudam tam ga de le zai sport minister Anurag Thakur ne keynote address sam pchoi tebe anui north east state ke thochi belam ke ting to chu jabam rabalam ke sa ga de le Union Health and Family Welfare and National Vaccination Drive report sai suize India ke COVID-19 rho kaploi lume planet teus kro ha ken kai lagria squeeze rock medu kap budale je salei Zai Health Ministry ne sa je nai gru ke zen ka stroke rimai ke India ke COVID-19 rho kap kai ni me lagria stroke mingeu changkai ku chumedu kap kai ne le je salei ai gena na mai gu mara sam news ka loi ga de le pi guys and kinga ni me le indu to de le